Okay, so it says A's assets are double those of B. So what I did over here is I said A is A's assets and B is B's assets. So I just simply wrote down what the relationship is. What's the relationship? A's A's assets are double those of B. So I write that down. That's an important relationship, by the way. It said when A has gained $250 and B 170, A's assets are 5 times those of B. So I wrote that down. Again, A gained 250, B gained 170, and what did it say? It said they are now that A's assets are 5 times that of B's. Okay, let's keep reading it. And it says find the assets of each. They want to find A and B. Well, I'm going to try to solve this equation. And I always say this is where thinking stops. And I said that I've been teaching a long time. I always say to students, once we write down an equation, all thought about the word stops. We just simply solve it. What do you get over here? A plus 250 equals 5B. Let's see, plus, let's see if we can do that. Well, let's see, 5 times 170 is 500, 350, 850. I think you probably know that A is equal to 2B. So I'll write down 2B plus 250 is equal 5B plus 850. Well, I'm going to subtract 5. You know what? We'll subtract 2B from both sides. We get 3B. And I'm going to subtract 850 from both sides. And we're going to get minus 600. So what's B? B is minus 200. And again, by today's standard, we'd be happy. We'd be happy a student wrote an equation down. We'd be happy that students were able to solve the equation. But I want to certainly see if it makes any sense. So B's assets, right, minus 200. And what's A's assets going to be? Twice that, minus 400. All right? We'd even be more happy if students wrote that by today's standards. But these are not assets, these are debts. So this has to be reworded. All right? So I want to point out, I do write that down. They're not assets, they're debts. So once again, the problem should be rewritten to reflect that. And Wells was big on that the problem should be written to reflect the truth of the problem, all right? That they weren't assets, they were in debt. Thank you.